Hello! Good evening, replay viewers. If you are catching me now, make sure you drop a hello in the comments because I always love to hear from my replay viewers. Would you like to know 4 tips tonight that are going to blow the damn lid off of your business online? Well, stick around because I'm going to tell you right now. And I've been playing around with this and it's amazing. So you guys are going to love it. When you drop on, make sure you guys say hello. My name is Christy Jensen. And I am from Washington State. I'm here to empower you guys and help you live an epic life and blow the damn lid off of your social media. So say hello when you pop on. I am going to give you guys 4 tips tonight that will help you with your online social media business. So if you have maybe you have a business page and it's just not pumping very good, or say you have a network marketing business or you're an entrepreneur, hi Julie, then make sure you guys stick around because I've got some 4 tips that you guys can use tonight. You can start using them right away. If you know someone that does have a business that needs to hear this, go ahead and pop down on the share button and share this. Make sure you guys are throwing me some hearts, saying hello. If you're new to me, make sure you write new in the comments. Also, I would love to see where you guys are tuning in from. So go ahead and we'll do that. And let's get started. Awesome. Super excited to be with you guys tonight. The first tip is for online marketing, you want to always give value. When you're posting, I want you guys to think about this. Does my post have value in it? And what I mean by value, you guys might want to get a pen and paper. Here's the top 3 things when you're posting. Does it have entertainment? Does it have inspiration? Does it have education? Or does it have all 3? Hi, Katie. So what you want to do, you want to make sure people don't come on Facebook to get sold something, right? They don't come on just because they want to go, oh boy, she has some great shampoo. I think I want to buy that. No, people come on here because they want to relax. They're bored. They want entertainment. Or they want education. They want someone to bring them some value, bring them some heat. They want to, they want to know what's up, right? So make sure when you're posting, you guys are thinking about that before you post. Just don't post about, somebody's dirty underwear on the floor. I mean, if you can add value to someone's life, no matter what it is, do it. Because that's what people want to hear. They want value in their lives, right? If you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, throw some bombs in the, throw your favorite emoji in the comments. I want to know it. So anyways, that is tip number 1. So add value to people's lives, right? Thanks, Julie. All right. The second tip I'm going to give you guys tonight that you can start using right away is stories. We have Facebook stories and there's Instagram stories. I want you to look after we get off of this broadcast. I want you to look at the top of your screen. If you don't know what Facebook stories are, they're the little circles at the top of the home of your news feed. Okay? So go click on those and see what people are posting. You want to start posting about your life, just little snippets. People want to buy from people they know, like, and trust, right? Okay, give me a 5 if you know what I'm talking about. People want to buy from who they know, like, and trust. So if you're just posting like little things up in the story, you're on the top of people's minds all the time. So, you can post pictures of your kids, not pictures, but like your life. You can video what you're doing that day. Or if you had something that helped you have a lot of energy, show people. People want to see your life. Why do you think reality TV is so big? Why do you think live videos is rocking? Because people want to see what you're doing. So make sure you guys are using those stories. If you guys use stories already, write stories in the comments. If you need help, write help in the comments. And I would love to help you guys come up with some tips to write the stories. You guys check out. I got these little lips on tonight. Super cute. I don't know where I did with them. Oh, they're right here for Valentine's. Isn't that cute? Throw me some lips if you guys love it. Make sure you guys are sharing this and inviting people. Okay, we're going to tip number 3. If you own a business and you're an entrepreneur or you just want to get more people on your page, you don't want to spam people, right? We have all heard that, right? We don't want to post links and say, buy my stuff, do this, do that. People don't care. People don't come on Facebook just to buy your stuff. If they did, they'd call you. So what you want to do is you want to do attraction marketing. And one tip of attraction marketing is you want to provide a curiosity post. You want to provide the benefit to someone so say you're going to post something, you want to post a benefit or a solution to something. So say that you want to post curiosity. You want to say, hey, say you sell weight loss products, or you have a online business that does weight loss. Okay, so you're going to say, hey, I just want to give a big shout out to my friend Julie, who lost her baby weight and she's back to her pre-pregnancy weight, 30 days and 25 pounds down. Way to go, Julie. Now, what do you think people are going to do? People are going to start commenting and saying, what did Julie do? Or, how did that happen? I mean, how did she lose weight so fast? You're not going to get on there and say, hey, buy this stuff from me and here's my link. People don't want that. They want to know a solution to their problem. Their problem is, hey, I want to drop these pounds and you've got it. What did she do to make that happen? Okay? You guys get what I'm saying? Throw me some love. I want to see some smileys. Okay? So let's start doing some more curiosity posts. I want to see those in my newsfeed. Okay, this is a big tip right here. Number 4. Did you know that Facebook will show you an option of who's in your newsfeed? Like, do you guys see the same people all the time? If you go on Facebook and say you're scrolling through your newsfeed, but you have 4,000 friends, but you only see like 50 people. What the heck? You can choose who you want to see. You don't have to just let Facebook choose. You can choose, and this is what I'm going to tell you guys. So first of all, you can tap on the screen here, just tap on my face, and at the top there's going to be 3 little dots. And you can click on that and turn on live notifications or following. You guys can follow me, but if you want to see other people first and you want to see their stuff that they're adding value, people that you really want to hear from, what I want you to do is go onto their profile when we are done. Hi, Kevin. And just you're going to click on their profile, and then you're going to go down to it says following and click on that button. It'll go down. I'll have 2 options. You're going to click on see first because you want to see those people first. You're tired of seeing the other people in your newsfeed and you want to see some new people. Well, go to the people that you want to start seeing every day in their lives. And you can click the following button, then click down and it says see first. It's amazing. Let me tell you. Make sure if you guys are just popping on that you guys are saying hello. If you're finding value, go ahead and hit that share button. I'm always loving it. Okay, guys. That was my 4 tips. I know I went fast. You can go back through and write them down, or you can message me and I'll give them to you. I'm going to be coming up with more Facebook strategies and other social media marketing for you guys really soon, and I'm going to come out with a worksheet that you guys can actually print. And so if you guys would like a worksheet, make sure you write worksheet in the comments, and I will be sure when I get that to give it to you. No problem, Kevin. You can go back and watch it from the beginning. Just wanted to tell you guys, make sure you're positive as well. This is a bonus tip. Be positive on Facebook. Don't go out there and be dirty and nasty. People don't get on Facebook to be, sucked dry. They want to be filled up, right? We want to fill people up. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Go out and love somebody. You don't have to have a girlfriend. Just know that you are loved and you are worth it. All right? Give me some hearts. Love you guys. Mwah.